Hey, if you wonder about the YouTube video quality on the Redmi 13, I can quickly show you. So as you can see here, I have the 4K video with the 60 frames per second and HDR. So when I click on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and I can find the automatic quality with the 360p. But when I click here and tap on the advanced, I can even set 4K with the 60 frames per second. So it actually works in this smartphone. So you can simply set it up. You can just rotate the phone. There we go. Let's close this. But as you can see, it's not working good. It's definitely struggling with this 4K. So let's try to lower the resolution. For example, we'll try to get maybe Full HD 60 frames per second. Let's get rid of it. Okay, it's still unfortunately, I mean, it works a little bit better than the 4K, but still you can actually find some lags. It doesn't work well, so we have to actually lower the resolution one more time. Let's try this time, for example, the HD 60 frames per second. Okay, right now it looks definitely better. But still some kind of the lagging stuff. So maybe we should go for that 360p. But still it's actually struggling and looks really weird. I'm not sure if what is going on. Maybe there's some kind of the bug in my phone. It's actually hit up really when I watch this video, especially right here. But that's by the way the quality of it. It doesn't look good. The quality on the YouTube, it's not good for the smartphone. Okay, when you actually rotate the screen like this, it looks better. But for the full screen, it's actually terrible. You actually shouldn't actually watch the YouTube for the full screen. We can also try the 4K. Let's get it one more time. 4K, but on this smaller size. Okay, and it's now start struggling. As you can see, it's actually really slowing down this video. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.